Hello everyone, welcome to this in-depth course on understanding and managing nasal allergies. My goal is to provide with you a clear, actionable roadmap for achieving significant relief and long-term control over your allergic rhinitis. In module number 2, we'll talk about environmental control and allergen avoidance, which is your first line of defense. The most fundamental and often overlooked aspect of allergic management is minimizing your exposure to allergens. That is your first and most crucial line of defense. The importance of allergen avoidance is that reducing allergen load in your environment can significantly decrease the frequency and severity of the symptoms, often reducing the need for medication. It is about making your living space less hospitable to the allergens. There are various strategies of dust mite avoidance. Like dust mites are a major trigger for perennial allergic rhinitis. In beddings, encase your mattresses, box springs, and pillows in a allergen impermeable covers like mite-proof covers. Wash all the beddings weekly in hot water. Humidity control by maintaining our indoor humidity below 50% using a dehumidifier or air conditioner. In floorings, remove carpet and opt for hard flooring like wood, tile, vinyl if possible. If the carpet remains, vacuum cleaning it with a HEPA filtered vacuum cleaner is necessary. Cleaning like damp dust cleaning and damp mop regularly to avoid sitting of the dust. Upholstery. Minimize your upholstery furniture and heavy drapes. Choose leather, vinyl or washable covers. Strategies for pollen avoidance are like in high pollen count season when they're at the high level, don't go in the morning and the windy days. Close your windows and doors, especially during the peak pollen season. Use air conditioner with a clean filter. Limit your outdoor activities during the high pollen count and change and wash clothes after coming indoor from outdoor activities. Shower and wash your hair before going to bed to remove the pollen accumulated during the day. Keep your car windows closed and use air conditioner mode on a recirculating kind of a mode. Consider using HEPA air purifier in your bedroom. There are various strategies for controlling pet dander. Yani we have to avoid pet dander. If you are allergic to pets, the most effective strategy is to remove pet from your home. If this is not feasible, develop pet free zones. Keep the pet out of your bedroom of an allergic individual. Use HEPA air purifiers in common areas. Bath the pet weekly to reduce dander, although this may have a limited effect on the symptoms. Vacuum clean with a HEPA filtered vacuum cleaner. Damp dust the pet. About the strategies of mold avoidance, mold thrive in damp environment. Fix leaky pipes, roofs and fountains. Ensure proper ventilation in bathrooms and kitchen. Keep your indoor humidity below 15% with the help of a humidifier. Clean visible mold with a bleach solution or a commercial mold cleaner. Avoid racking leaves or working with compost if you are allergic to outdoor mold. Now let us talk about nasal saline irrigation. Regular nasal saline irrigation using a neti pot or saline rinse bottle can be incredibly beneficial for an allergic patient. It physically washes away the airway allergens, the airway irritants, and excessive mucus from the nasal passages, reducing inflammation and improving breathing. Using distilled water, soil water, or previously boiled cooled water is mandatory. I trust that this comprehensive course provides you with a robust understanding of nasal allergy management from foundation principles to the most advanced treatment. Remember, effective allergy management is a partnership between you and your healthcare provider. Always consult with a qualified allergy specialist to develop a personalized treatment plan that best suit your individual needs. Your journey to a clearer, more comfortable life starts right now. Thank you so much.